Hello and welcome back to the DayVec YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the TPlay application to your Android TV, Google TV, or TV box. We're going to be using the Unlinked app. If you do not have this application, check the link in the description for a tutorial that will show you how to get it. If you find value in this presentation, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. Get into the Unlinked app by navigating there with the remote and clicking on it. When you're in, hit New Library by pressing enter, and you find this toggle to type in the library you want to download from. So we're looking at the Everything library. Type it exactly as you see me type it. Everything, one word, no space. And when you have everything typed, hit enter. You'll be prompted to this picture, hit enter as well. And you scroll down to media players. You'll be item 11, scroll, and you find the TPlayer application. Click on it to install, and when it's downloaded, you have to be patient for it to download. When it completes downloading, and that will take a valid period of time depending on your network connectivity and your connectivity speed. But when it's done downloading, hit this install app button and you have the application installed on your Android TV box or Google TV. If you found value in this presentation, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more content just like this.